Hello everyone, this is Terry Honeycutt with My Photo Borders. I want to give you a little update here regarding anyone that has just updated to the new Photoshop CC 2019. There is a bug that I came across on some templates that are using the color mode. You may open a template and that you previously purchased, and it may come in looking weird colors. If that happens, that's because, like I say, there is definitely a bug issue, but there is a fix for it. And I've got a template up here I just want to show you for an example. This is our fantasy hockey template. The background, if you notice on my screen, is all greenish, but it is supposed to be more of a brown tone. If you look over here at this layer, color fill background, you'll definitely see it's definitely a brown color tone, but it is coming in green. So after doing some research, I found that there is a fix for it, and I'll show you how to correct that until Photoshop makes an update and fixes this. But for now, just go to your edit menu and go to preferences and go down to the performance tab. And when that comes up, under the options, you'll see a unchecked box that says Legacy Compositing. Just check that box and then just say OK. And then when you close this template out and open it back up, it's going to come back in the old way. Now you see that it's brown. So just a quick update, a quick fix. If anybody opens a template and runs into this problem, it can be easily resolved. Thank you very much and have a great day.